how to send money from PayPal to Cash App. So what we need to do is first log into our PayPal account here and click on the send button. So from here, what we want to do is actually send to a bank account, because Cash App is going to count as a bank account. So click on send to bank account and then agree and continue. So right here, it is going to load up a list of countries to which we want to send, and we're going to select the United States. So just search for United States and click on United States here, and it should transfer us over to the amount that we're going to be sending. So for example, here I'll send 15 euros. It's going to convert to how much money the receiver will get, and then we can just click on next. Now right here is going to ask us for the method of receiving, and we want to select bank deposit. Just click next. And then the next screen will ask for the routing number and the account number. Now, how can we get this? I'm just going to transfer over to Cash App. Here, once we have Cash App open, click on the bank icon, and here you will be able to see account and routing. Click on account and routing. Then again, we want to select account and routing here, and you should be able to get these numbers from this screen right here if you have set up your Cash App. And basically we will input those into PayPal here, and if we click on next, we will send the money. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.